Hello, my name is Maggie Bryant and welcome. And today's live is about introducing you to a comprehensive skincare range called Celavive. And Celavive means skin is alive, and it's concerned about preventing and minimizing the signs of aging. And who doesn't want that? And I just love this range. I've tried a whole range of products before, and they often left my skin irritated and didn't live up to the promises that they said they would do. But this range, I'm just absolutely loving it and thought I'd introduce you to it as well. Drop in the comments below and subscribe so that you can listen to a whole range of tips for you on anti-aging. So the range is, first of all, cleanse, tone, hydrate, and moisturize. And if you have dry skin, a gorgeous start is one that is soap-free cleanser, one that is going to be moisturizing your skin at the same time. And this is what this guy does. The next step is to tone your skin, and that really sets up the balance in your skin so that you can absorb the moisturizer that you're going to put on it afterwards. A beautiful serum which is going to be delicious on your skin is one that has olive fruit extract in it, and I just love that. A radiant facial oil is gorgeous with rosehip, sunflower seed oil, 15 botanical ingredients in this guy. I just really think this is a game changer. It really locks in the moisture into your skin and helps against environmental damage. Just a few drops of this liquid gold. And then a moisturizer, which is a full range of botanicals is in this guy, and it has sunscreen protection inbuilt into it. It's just simply lovely, delightful on your skin, going to leave it supple, moist, and that anti-aging, and let the results speak for themselves on your skin. Don't forget to drop in the comments below and subscribe to get more useful tips on skincare.